Tether Gold could rise 3.6% by tomorrow, per crypto predictions data. But first, let's check what the price has been doing today. Based on the latest data, Tether Gold has gained 1.5% since yesterday and is now near $4,495. Time to check out today's forecast lineup. By Crypto Predictions expects the asset to be at $4,658.28, which would be an increase of roughly 3.6%. Tether Gold could edge up to $4,602 according to 30 rates, around 2.4% more than now. Traders Union points out it might fall to $4,492.10, roughly 0.1% lower than now. Another outlook from Gov Capital Collector indicates Tether Gold might push lower toward $4,395.28, about 2.2% down. And last but not least, Coin Dataflow believes the price may slide to $3,908.61 by tomorrow, down by 13%. This is the top earning forecast we've seen. That sums up 5 expert insights. Let's go to the next. The predictions are in. Here's how each might perform. The collective view of all analysts suggests a possible move between a drop of 13% and a gain of 3.6%, depending on the analyst. In short, Coin Dataflow comes out ahead with 13% surge in value by tomorrow. By the look of it, you could earn between $1 and $130 for every $1,000 you invest. When it comes to probabilities, Traders Union leads with a 78.9% chance of success. Looking at the full set of forecasts, I've put together a consensus outlook. Consensus projections indicate Tether Gold could move lower by around 1.9%. Okay, here's the deeper look. Consensus figures point to a 1.9% reduction in price. In line with that same percentage, your capital could also register an increase. On 1,000, this projection could equal a potential gain of $19. And in practical terms, this consensus forecast carries a likelihood of 60.3%. At this point in the analysis, let's review the 3-day forecasts. Crypto Predictions sees the chart leaning upward. A gain is additionally anticipated by 30 rates, who remains bullish. Traders Union expects losses to extend. Similarly, Gov Capital Collector expects the price to slump further. A drop is likewise expected by Coin Dataflow, reinforcing the downside view. The consensus forecast highlights that Tether Gold may face pressure to the downside over the 3-day period. Summing up, the majority of forecasts point toward weakness in Tether Gold. 2 days ago, 5 sites posted forecasts for the next day. That day has passed, so let's see how they turned out. In the end, trading settled at $4,495.20. The outcome showed that the majority of forecasts were correct about the direction. If we check accuracy alone, CoinCodex was the closest. Time to take things apart for clarity. 4 forecasts were inside the daily move. And about ROI, all analysts posted profits, with 30 rates showing the highest return of 2.7%. Here's the outcome summary, showing how accurate and effective each forecast was. CoinCodex displayed accuracy, 70.1% forecast probability, and 1.1% ROI. Try to find the analyst that stayed most in sync with the market. Let's check how tomorrow's projected gains line up for Tether Gold and a few selected assets. Tomorrow's projection puts Tether Gold in 4th place, while Render records 3.8% in expected performance. We're looking at a limited group of 5 coins, and the full return comparison among many cryptocurrencies will also be shared on my website and Telegram. Subscribe now so you're not the one hearing about the next big move too late. Talk to you soon.